The Tourni-Key was designed by the charity CitizenAid. It's a small, portable tool that can be used to apply a tourniquet to a person's limb in the event of a bleeding emergency. In the pack is all you'll need to apply a tourniquet to a patient with a catastrophic bleed to an arm or a leg. A tourniquet is a type of medical device that's used to stop bleeding by applying pressure to a person's artery. It's typically used when direct pressure is not enough to control bleeding, such in the case of a deep wound or amputation of a limb. The Tourni-Key is designed to be easy to use and fit into a pocket, purse or glove compartment. It's made of a durable, lightweight material and is a simple one-handed operation. To use the Tourni-Key, sit the patient down and explain to them what you're going to do. Activate the emergency services if you haven't already done so. Open the packet and take out its contents. Take the triangular bandage and roll it up into a broad fold bandage. Tie the bandage around the limb and place the Tourni-Key over the bandage and tie it in place. You must not apply a tourniquet over a wound or over a joint. Place the pinch guard under the knot. Twist the Tourni-Key around tightly until the bleeding stops and then secure it in place under the bandage. If bleeding continues, tighten it more, and if that doesn't work, apply another one above the first one. Note the time it was applied, as the emergency services will need to know how long the tourniquet has been applied for. Monitor the patient, treat for shock, and if possible, send someone to meet the ambulance and direct them over to you. The Tourni-Key is a valuable tool for anyone who may be called on to provide first aid in a bleeding emergency. It can be used by first responders, military personnel, law enforcement officers and civilians, and it can be an essential tool in helping to save a person's life. Finally, the CitizenAid Tourni-Key can be found in some versions of public access trauma kits or first aid kits. For more information on getting a Tourni-Key or a public access bleed kit, please contact us.